To get started with day trading on Robinhood, you need to first understand the basics of day trading and the platform itself. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within a single trading day, with the goal of making a profit from the fluctuations in the market. Robinhood is a popular trading app that allows you to trade stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies with no commission fees. The first step is to download and install the Robinhood app. Then create an account and fund it with money. You need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the account setup process. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring the app and getting familiar with its features. Before you start trading, it is essential to understand the key concepts of day trading, such as market hours, trading volume, and order types. Market hours refer to the time when the stock market is open, which is typically from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Trading volume refers to the number of shares being traded, and order types refer to the way you want to buy or sell a stock, such as market order or limit order. To place a trade on Robinhood, you need to select the stock you want to trade. Then choose the order type and enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell. You can also set a price limit for your order, which means your trade will only be executed if the stock reaches that price. It is crucial to set a stop-loss order, which automatically sells your stock if it falls below a certain price, to limit your potential losses. A key concept in day trading is technical analysis, which involves using charts and indicators to predict the price movement of a stock. Some popular indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. You can use these indicators to identify trends and patterns in the market and make informed trading decisions. Best practices for day trading on Robinhood include starting with a small amount of money, setting clear goals and risk tolerance, and not over-trading. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and trends, and to continuously learn and improve your trading skills. Additionally, you should never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always prioritize risk management over potential profits. In conclusion, day trading on Robinhood can be a lucrative way to make money, but it requires a solid understanding of the market, the platform, and the key concepts of day trading. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and by practicing discipline and risk management, you can increase your chances of success in the world of day trading.